Hey Queens, I'm so excited to finally be able to say welcome to my channel. Now that you're here, I'll tell you more about myself. I'm Jacinta, born and raised in the Bahamas. I'm an accountant by trade and a millennial Black queen by birth. I'm a lover of all things beauty, fashion, DIY, travel, and an absolute foodie. But most of all, I love doing all of these things on a budget. I've been married to my king since 2018. Yup, we're still honeymooning, or so I'd like to think. He's my right-hand man in everything that I do. He's actually behind the scenes right now. I'm also the founder of Crowned, which is a hair extension line that's the first phase of my lifestyle brand. It's the diamond collection over at hercrownjewels.com. So often as women, we tend to be boxed in or are always given limits or restrictions. It's like Cinderella's midnight curfew applies to us all, in all aspects of our lives. If we don't have the dream career or family by a certain age, we're unaccomplished. If we prefer to not wear expensive labels, we're cheap. If we have multiple streams of income, we're greedy or overambitious. If we don't wear our own hair without any extensions, we're not natural enough. If we prefer to wear our own hair in its natural state, we're boring or non-adventurous. And if we don't have the physique of the Instagram models, we're not pretty enough. As a millennial woman, I believe we're all queens and we have the power to be whatever it is that we want to be and on our own terms. We have the power to be who we've dreamt of being. We have the power to go where we've dreamt of going. And we have the power to do what we've dreamt of doing. Here on my channel, I wanted to create a safe space, a queendom, a place where we can redefine who it is that we want to be and work together to become that, to be a better version of ourselves with each day that passes, to tap into our power. To do so, I'll introduce you to my lifestyle brand, which caters to all women wherever you are in your life's journey. If you're single, married, or divorced, natural, relaxed, or transitioning, unemployed, girl bossing, or 9 to 5. 1 stamp, 5 stamps, or 100 stamps in your passport. All women, period. On my channel, I plan to explore avenues that I travel as a millennial woman, hobbies and interests that I love. And I hope that some of you, or all of you, can assist, relate, learn, and join in with me. Queen to queen, helping each other out through life in all areas of our queendoms. So I extend a royal invitation to you. Join me in this queendom and connect with me in the following ways. First, be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified each time that I post a new video. Second, go on over to hercrownjewels.com and subscribe to our newsletter so you can be in the know of everything that's new and happening. Third, go on over to Instagram and follow me at queenjacinta_. You can also follow my business page at Her Crown Jewels. And lastly, let me know in the comment section what you look forward to joining along with me for the most. Until next time, keep queening.